A teaspoon of sugar can stop your hiccups faster than holding your breath or drinking water upside down. Scientists say it's not just an old wives' tale, there's real biology at play. When you swallow granulated sugar, its gritty texture stimulates the vagus nerve at the back of your throat. That sudden jolt of sensation actually disrupts the repetitive spasm in your diaphragm that causes hiccups in the first place. Doctors have found that this trick works instantly for many people because it interrupts the feedback loop that keeps hiccups going. No need for awkward tricks or waiting it out, just grab a spoon and some sugar. Next time hiccups hit, reach for your kitchen cabinet. You might be surprised how quickly this sweet hack silences them.